Truck Team! Super Truck Team! Huddle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging! I'm a crane! I'm very strong! I'm the bulldozer! I'm an expert at pushing the dirt! Dump truck! Road roller! Concrete mixer! We're Super Truck Team! We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges! Factory Rescue! Who should be assigned dump truck? Dump truck transform! Super Truck Team, let's set off! The location of the task is right ahead. Come with me. Hey! Ha! 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 Hey! Whoa! Ha! Ha! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Woohoo! You're finally here, Truck Team. Come with me. Oh no! Whiskers and Momo were trapped in the factory by the mudslide. Please save them quickly, Truck Team. Don't worry, you can count on us. Super Truck Team, prepare for the rescue! Whiskers is stuck under a big tree. Let's rescue him. First, let's remove the pile of stones in the tree. Be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Momo is trapped in the basement. Let's rescue her right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. I am the crane, and I can lift Momo out of the basement. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Safety hat. Gloves. Safety harness. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. You're awesome, truck team. Here's a badge for you. I'm so dirty. Can you help me wash and clean up? Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off! There's an emergency here! We need the truck team's help! Woohoo! I'm a crane! Count on me for this task! Crane, transform! Woohoo! Let's go! Full speed ahead! Go, go, go! Whoa! Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Woohoo! You're finally here, truck team. Come with me. The vehicle fell into the pit. What should we do? I am the crane. Let me help you lift the vehicle. Yeah! Tie the vehicle with a rope before lifting it. Task completed. Oh no! My paint has faded! Help me with a new paint! Oof! Oof.